So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head over to search and type in calculator. Now you're gonna click on app settings. And then once you're on this, you're gonna scroll down and then click on terminate and then click on repair. Wait for this to load. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, you're gonna click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you're gonna click on uninstall and then you want to uninstall it. And then after you've uninstalled the calculator, you're gonna head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. Now once you're on the Microsoft Store, you just want to search for calculator, then you want to re-download the Windows calculator. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you're gonna head over to search and type in CMD. Then you have to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're gonna type in sfc/scan now and click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. You're gonna wait for the scan to get to 100%. Once it's been fully completed, you then want to restart your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.